Hey there everyone, Zippy and I here today, ready to make some popsicles because it's getting hot outside. Today we're going to start with, we're going to do two different kinds, blueberries and strawberries. It's going to be delicious. So we're going to start with our blueberries first. What we're going to do, we're going to need our honey, apple juice, lemon, salt, and then our frozen blueberries thawed. So first, the first round takes a half of a lemon. So Zippy, if you do the honors, cut the lemon in half. Beautiful. All right, next we want to measure out 2 cups of blueberries. And we'll go ahead and toss that into our blender here. 1, 2, nice. Okay, so we got our blueberries. Next we'll need to squeeze our lemon in. Here you go, Zip. Get as much of the juice out of there as you can. Nice. All right, and then we want to add 1/4 cup of our apple juice, which we do have measured out here. You slap that in there, perfect. And it calls for 2 tablespoons of honey. So we're just going to do 2 squeezes of honey. 1, 2, maybe a little extra. There we go, perfect. So that's ready to go. We're gonna blend this up, measure them out, and then we'll move on to our strawberry popsicles. All right. All right, everybody, we're back, Zippy and I. Let's do this. So we got our strawberry popsicles next. So Zippy, you want to do the honors? Grab your blender. And so we have our 2 cups of strawberries measured out. You could throw those on in there. We could use our other half of the lemon, squeeze that in there. Here we go, Zippy. Nice work. Use those muscles. And now we're going to put in our 1/4 cup of our apple juice. And then our 2 tablespoons of honey. So we're going to do 2 squeezes of honey, 2 good squeezes. Beautiful. And we can't forget, we do a little pinch of salt here. I just kind of pour it in my hand because you don't want too much, and then just give it a little dash. So now we're just going to blend that up, and then we're going to separate it into 3-ounce cups, and then we're going to add our sticks coming soon. All right, guys, now we're back. Me and Zippy, let's do this. So we blended up our strawberry popsicle mix. So now what we got to do, separate it into our 3-ounce cups here. Should pour nicely in there. Zippy's killing it right now. That's perfect. Beautiful, Zippy. Very nice work. All right, so now, we'll get this out of the way. We have to add our popsicle sticks in to make it a popsicle, right? Oh, thanks. So we'll just stick these right in the middle here. And what you want to do afterwards, you can put these on a tray or just set them in nicely in the freezer for about 5 hours. Zippy likes a few extra sticks in hers, I guess, because of her big paws. Yeah, so 5 hours, it'll freeze up nicely, and you can take them out and serve them to the kids. And what's great about these is there's no artificial ingredients, there's no added sugars. You know exactly what's going into your popsicles instead of the store-bought ones. So go ahead and have fun and make those popsicles, guys.